Welcome to another episode of The Wretched Ranch. On today's episode, this video is specially made for those people like me who sit in bed at night, can't get this out of their head. How's the 1985 Olds 98 Regency made? Well, you finally get your answer, and we get some closure on this so we can rest peacefully at night. I know tonight all of us will rest better after viewing this video and finally putting this to rest. If you like this kind of weird, crazy content, seems to tickle you the right way, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Oh, hello there. I understand that you're going to test drive a 1985 Olds 98 Regency. I'm sure you're going to appreciate the uncompromising luxury and advanced technology of the 98 Regency. The car you're going to drive was built in a brand new state-of-the-art assembly plant. I'd like to take a couple of minutes to show you some of the advanced technology and quality manufacturing that goes into the creation of the Olds 98 Regency and give you some tips on what to look for when you take your test drive. You know, we say there's a special feel in an Olds 98 Regency. And part of that feel is the ride provided by its precise road management system. The road management system is engineered with 4 key components. And let me show you how they work together to manage virtually any road. First is front-wheel drive. Instead of the rear-wheel traction pushing the front wheels to the outside of a turn, the front wheels pull the car through the turn. In addition, the weight of the engine directly over the driving wheels helps provide excellent traction on wet pavement or snow. Next is Regency's 4-wheel independent suspension. Regency has independent coil springs at each rear wheel to control side movement over bumps for impressive handling. The front wheel suspension features these McPherson struts, which help maintain front wheel alignment. When you take your test drive, notice how any bumps in the road are individually absorbed by the suspension at each wheel. You can see here how the suspension
Hope you enjoyed the video.
Road jarring and
Thanks for
vibration.
watching.
A key part of the road management system is Regency's standard electronic automatic load leveling system. The suspension is adjusted automatically to level the car with changing passenger and trunk loads. This means that your ride will be even with no bottoming on bumps when the car is fully loaded. Headlamp aim remains constant and rear view mirrors need no adjustment regardless of load. The final touch to the special feel of Olds 98 Regency's road management system is the positive feel of the road you get with power rack and pinion steering. As you test drive Regency, make some test turns to feel the ease of driving with rack and pinion steering and how all components of the road management system combine to provide a smooth, luxurious ride with flat cornering. Olds 98 Regency features power front disc brakes in a diagonal split braking system. Diagonally opposite front and rear wheels are each operated separately from a dual master cylinder. Also important to this quality braking system are the low-drag disc brakes used on the front wheels. You may be surrounded by technology in the Regency, but you won't hear it. The careful placement of acoustical materials throughout Regency's body helps keep out much of the road, wind, and engine noise. There are other features which help make Regency a leader among luxury cars. Olds 98 Regency was designed and built with the aid of computers like this one to maintain full 6-passenger interior comfort in a more efficient exterior package. In the assembly process, body components to be welded are fitted precisely in place in what is called a robogate. Guided by a computer, the robogate automatically positions the components exactly and clamps them for welding. Then the computers tell these robot welders exactly where to make their welds. The welds are made in exactly the same place to exactly the same quality standards every single time. The result is this integral body construction which helps control body shape on rough roads. Lasers and gamma rays are used to make inspections of completed body assemblies. Results of inspections are transmitted to the computer, which matches the results against the quality standards. Quality judgments are completely objective. Those are just a few of the ways that computer technology is used to make Olds 98 Regency a top-quality automobile. Now, since you're going to drive an Olds 98 Regency, you'll want to know about the available engines. Let's take a look. The standard engine on Olds 98 Regency is this 3-liter V6, which provides good performance and plenty of passing power when needed. The engine is installed transversely instead of front to rear. This gives Regency its traditional big car interior roominess. For outstanding performance, 98 Regency Brougham models feature the 3.8-liter multi-port fuel-injected V6 engine as standard equipment. This engine is also an available option on 98 Regency models. The electronic fuel injection works through the onboard computer command control like this. The computer senses the right amount of fuel needed for efficient operation. That precise amount is injected as an atomized mist through a port to each combustion chamber of the engine. The system features high-energy ignition for a hot spark with no points to burn out or replace, and provides the fuel your engine needs, but only when it's needed. Quality is built into an Olds 98 Regency, and it's built to last. We want the quality appearance of the car to endure as well. That's why we take special steps to help fight corrosion on every Olds 98 Regency. The first step is to make extensive use of zinc phosphate-coated and galvanized sheet metal for those areas of the body which are most subject to attack by corrosive elements, like highway salts in winter. Non-corroding plastic is used for fender liners, where the highest concentration of road salts accumulate. Then the body is immersed in a thick, rust-inhibiting cathode Elpo-dip primer bath. An electrical current passes through the primer to the body to help provide complete adhesion of the primer to all surfaces. To put a premium finish on every Olds 98 Regency, we go to computerized automation again, where robots do a precision job. The beauty and luster of the finish on Olds 98 Regency is achieved with multi-coat high-gloss enamel. First, a precise layer of acrylic enamel of the desired color is applied. Then, 2 coats of clear enamel are applied. The enamel provides Olds 98 Regency with a durable, lustrous final coat. The result is a finish that you can almost see into. A finish that proclaims the quality of Olds 98 Regency. And a final touch, to keep that great-looking finish looking new, the lower panels are coated with a smooth coat of anti-chip urethane to help protect against stones and road debris. These processes are so effective that the Olds 98 Regency New Car Limited Warranty offers specific rust-through protection. It's attention to details like that and the use of advanced technology assembly processes that give the Olds 98 Regency a fit and finish that is truly world-class. Add that to world-class luxury, prestige, and the precise road management system, and you have a fantastic car. That is Olds 98 Regency quality. The same quality built into the Olds 98 Regency you are about to test drive. Hope you enjoy the ride.